Exit 1 to Newport, Kentucky soon. Let's see, I don't know if we'll see the sign. It said to keep right. What? To I-75. There's no 75, that's 71. Confused. What's happening? Oh, I-71 is I-75. They connect, I guess. Oh, there you go. Newport, Kentucky's over there, but we're not going that way. We're staying on 71. No hazmats. There's the Hard Rock Casino. Does that mean the Kentucky is down there? No, we're not going to see it. We just see these buildings here. Tunnel closed. Do not enter when... Oh, it's not flashing, so we should be okay.
Now keep right to stay on Interstate 71 South.
Right to 71 South. Where's Kentucky? Where's the welcome to Kentucky? I don't see one. Nope. Louisville, Lexington. That's what we got. Tunnel, hold your breath. A short one. Heritage Bank Center. What is this? Where's the Kentucky sign? Louisville, Lexington. I mean, those are Kentucky cities. Where's the welcome to Kentucky? There's no welcome to Kentucky. The welcome is this casino looking place. We're in, where are we? Las Vegas now?
1,000 feet. Keep right to take Interstate 71 South toward Interstate 75 South.
I don't see it. We should have already passed it now. We're already in Kentucky, I think. Look at that bridge.
Now keep right to take Interstate 71 South.
Well, we're already in Kentucky, I think. I don't know what's going on. There's no sign.
In 500 feet, bear left towards Interstate 71 South. Now bear left towards Interstate 71 South.
Okay, I still see no Kentucky sign. This is the longest I've kept the thing on to try and find the welcome to sign. I don't know where it is. Is there not one? Do we not get a welcome to sign? Covington. Guess we don't get one. I don't know what's happening. There's that, whatever that thing is. Alright, now we're going under a bridge. Okay, fine. There it is. There it is. See, it's in the middle, not in the right. No, I can't see it. I have to go back to the left. There's the sign. Here you go. Welcome to Kentucky. Alright, Supercharger is in less than 9 miles now. Charge up and continue on to Kentucky State Capitol. Alright, we're here. Is it major or major? No. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead. Oh, I don't think I parked close enough. Let's see. Actually, okay, we're good. Should be good. Yep. Alright. So that's good. I mean, it should be flipped as usual. But anyways, maybe that's just how they designed it to be done like that. Okay, let's go inside. I'm going to use the restroom if it's open. I hope it's open. It's not that crowded, so maybe it's closed. But we'll see. We'll charge up, and then we'll continue to the Kentucky State Capitol. If it's not a downtown one. If it's a downtown one, I'm probably going to have to figure out a place to sleep before I reach it. Alright, let's go. It's basically like a big Walmart. They got food, and then they got clothes and other stuff. Or, I guess, a small Walmart. I thought this stuff needs to be refrigerated. What? It doesn't? Huh? Wait, it only needs refrigeration after you buy it? How's that work? I don't get it. What? Yeah, it is like a Walmart, baby, kids, and home.
Insert cash.
Okay, let's see what they're called. It will tell me.
Use pin pad to complete transaction.
Let's see what they're called. Come on. Finish.
Please take your receipt. Thank you for shopping at
Meyer. Okay, $1 for these strawberries. I had to check them all because they had like mold. Hopefully these are okay. So apparently the company's name is pronounced Meyer because that's what the machine said when I checked out. It said, "Thank you for shopping at Meyer." I don't know how that's Meyer, but okay. Okay, let's try these strawberries. You can see they're not very dark red, so this one's pink, so it's probably gonna be sour. Let's try it. It's not super sweet, but it's not as bad as I was thinking. But also not the sweetest strawberries. Definitely that's better than the white pinkish one though. Alright, so I had to fix the route because it wanted to take a longer route just because it's faster. Anyways, we're gonna stop at Love's. Hopefully they have the magnet. And then originally it wanted to keep going down here and then running along down here to take 64, I guess, or something. No, where was it going? It was taking some weird route, and then it was like saying I'd end up with a lot less percentage. I think it was taking 64 and then going, yeah, it was taking 64, like it would go further down and then go here and then go up. So originally it was saying I would end up with like 60 something percent when I got there, so I added this random dot in the middle here so it would take the upper route instead of going down here. And now it says we'll arrive at the capital with 74%. So I don't know how going from here to here it takes 0% of charge, but that's what it says. Alright, but anyways, yeah, that's a much shorter route than going down here, going here, and then going up. So did that, and yeah, let's go ahead and continue to Love's. We'll be there in what, less than an hour? Alright, let's go. Let's unplug. We're pretty much at 100%, even though it's showing 99. Once I unplug, it always goes to 100%, so it's getting windy. I like that weather, because if I lay in the back, I like it cold. I don't like the warmth. Last time it was like 80 degrees or something. Alright, see? It says 100. Alright, let's go. Florence, y'all. I don't know.
Take exit 136 on the right onto
exit signs,
Kentucky
they put
32.
circles. That's what they put for their sign. Okay, as you can see, Kentucky, it was 6:35. There you go, 6:35. Alright, time to find a place to park to sleep. Probably on the side there. Alright, so time to sleep. You can see I'm inside the truck bed. This is the metal cover. Okay. And then the tailgate's here. I just take my sandals off, put them on the truck bed, or on the tailgate, and then when I swing it up, you can see it just holds it there. Then I also have the plug there, and yeah, feet are there. I don't have any problems with kicking it or anything. And yeah, I have no issues actually in like sleeping in a smaller area like this. So I have this here. You can see if I lay, I still have like this much room. So like, that's probably at least like, I don't know, like 5-6 inches of empty space there. Okay, and then I got this here. It's folded over because otherwise it would hit that top. And then I'm laying on my stitch as a pillow. Right, then also I had to pull this in as I close this thing so it doesn't like scrape along the top. And yeah, not bad. Also, if I lay sideways, then I have actually quite a bit of room here, you can see. So plenty of room if I wanted to lay on my side. This mattress is super soft and comfortable. And I just put this moving blanket thingy on top so I don't dirty it. But anyways, that's it. Good night. We'll see you guys in the morning. And then we'll head on over to, well, you can hear the wind. Hear how windy it is outside? It's super windy outside. Super windy outside. So yeah, if it gets too hot, I could actually open this slightly. I can control it all from the phone. If I do somehow get locked in, then there's the little emergency lock on that I can like pull the cover out and then pull the latches. But I shouldn't have any issues with that, especially since my phone, I put that charger there and I just plugged in a long cable, so my phone's gonna be fully charged. All right. If not, then my dad's in there. You probably can't see him, but you can see outside the window. You can see Love's gas station there, actually. Okay. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to sleep now, and yeah. Actually, I'm not going to sleep now. I'm going to be uploading more videos, editing and uploading. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and then we'll head on over to the state capitol.